Okay guys, so are you all ready to start? Can comment ready? Kalau sedia nak mula kelas variation ubahan. This one revision class kelas ulang kaji. So are you all ready? Hopefully all ready lah. Okay, so we start. Let me share screen. Today is ulang kaji. Kita buat ulang kaji bab ubahan variations. Okay. So everyone can see the screen. First of all, semua boleh nampak screen tak? Can you comment kalau boleh nampak? Okay, can Okay, good. So now, first thing before we start the ulang kaji, I want recap. Okay, we recap on 1.3 ubahan bergabung, combined variation. Okay, so I prepared a few questions, only 5 objective to test whether you all know lah, kamu masih ingat tentang ubahan bergabung. Okay, so this is the first question. Okay, untuk yang ambil dalam BM, saya akan translate lah bagi kamu. Okay, X, saya baca sekarang. X berubah secara terus dengan kuasa 2Y dan berkadar songsang dengan punca kuasa 4Z. Okay, antara mana yang menggambarkan ubahan ini? Okay, for English, you all can read lah. It is in English. Okay, so can anyone tell which is the correct answer? Mana satu jawapan betul? Type for me the letter A, B, C, or D. Try your best for everyone to comment so that you all must understand 1.3. Wrong doesn't matter, just comment only. What you think is correct, you comment. Okay, let's wait for the rest. Okay, some more. It's okay if your answer different from the friends. We will see in the end mana jawapan betul. Okay, some more. Lagi. Mana yang betul? Which one is the correct answer for this question? Haida. Sorry, Hakim. Now your C, right? Now your latest option is C, right? No more B. Am I right? Okay. So, wow, got so many. Got D, got C, got B, got D. Okay, B, C, D lah basically. Okay, semua kata B, C atau D. Okay, trick question. Okay, all the question here ada trick. Okay, so you must be a bit careful when you all read the question. Okay, so they say that X varies directly as square of Y. X berkadar terus dengan kuasa 2Y. Okay, so we check first. Adakah semua pilihan menggambarkan X berkadar terus dengan kuasa 2Y? Yes or no, guys? Does it show X varies directly as Y square? All the option here? Yes or no? All the option here. Does it show X varies directly as Y square? No, I'm asking all the option, does it show or not? Does it show that X? Where got no? Yes, the answer is yes. Okay, guys, you can see that all option, it showed that X varies directly as Y square. Okay, can you see here, guys? X berkadar terus dengan Y kuasa 2. 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 Understand? So basically, the first part, all the answer is correct. Semua jawapan betul. So which one will determine what is the answer? This one. Yang ni akan menentukan jawapan kamu mana. Okay, so guys, punca kuasa 4, fourth root. So which will be the correct answer? Okay, this question got trick one. So guys, what is the correct answer? Okay. A cannot be B1. Okay, B is definitely out. Okay guys, you all must understand the meaning of fourth root. Kamu kena faham perkataan ni. Punca kuasa 4Z. So how will you write punca kuasa 4Z, guys? You will write like this. Am I right, guys? Fourth root of Z is like that. Correct? Or you can also write it as Z kuasa 1/4. Betul? These two are the same meaning. So guys, if you see the option, try to think and see again, which is the correct answer? Mana jawapan betul? All of you never tell me the right answer. Semua salah. The correct answer is what actually? Is it only C? Adakah hanya C sahaja? Cannot be A. A and B totally wrong. Is either C or D now. Because punca kuasa 2, 4. Okay, C, D. Okay. Basically, wait, let me write first. I must show clearly. Okay, basically, both of it is the correct answer. Dua-dua jawapan benar. Okay, I simply tweak you all only to see whether you understand both of these means the same. Dua ni bawa maksud sama means that both answer is correct. Of course, in exam they won't ask you question like this lah. But this is to test you all, nak uji kamu sahaja. Do you understand that berkada songsang dengan punca kuasa 4, dia boleh ditulis dengan dua cara. Varies inversely as fourth root of z. I can write it like C or I can write it like D also. Both also is correct. Understand, guys? Can you get my point? So that's why when they say fourth root of z, this one over here, punca kuasa 4z, you can write it like this or you can write it like this. Dua-dua pun sama. Okay, that is why your answer is C and also D. Understand? So can you all react like? Kalau faham, can you put a like if you understand? Understand, huh? Okay, so next one. The question getting harder, guys. I'll tweak you all a lot of areas. So make sure you all careful. Kamu kena hati-hati. Okay, so A varies directly as cube root of VD. Okay, and square of T. Okay, A berkadar terus dengan punca kuasa 3 VD dan kuasa 2 T. Okay, so they give you this relationship. This is the relationship that explain the above statement. Okay, so they ask you what are the values of M, N, and K. Apa nilai mereka? So can you all tell what is the answer for this question? This one easy. You should be able to get the answer. Okay, some more, the rest. Wow, not bad, Hakim, so fast. Apa jawapan dia? This one test you on indices rule, hukum index. Kamu kena power kat sini. Your modern maths form 3, you all learn on indices. So, dalam ubahan, variation, they test you on this also. Berkaitan dengan indices. So, the rest, what is your answer? A, B, C, D. Okay, yes, I know, Hakim. I mean the other people. Don't be shy to comment. Just tell your answer only. Wrong doesn't matter. Cuba saja. Okay, some more. This one truly your answer, guys. Don't look at your friend's answer and tell the answer. You must think on your own, then answer based on what you feel is right. Okay, although it's different, doesn't matter. You never know, it might be correct also. Because I never tell the answer yet. Saya tak bagi tahu lagi apa jawapan dia. Okay, lagi some more. I want more people to try so that you all got chance. Okay, yes. Okay, majority say D, correct. Okay, jawapan dia is D. Who don't understand why the answer is D? Angkat tangan, raise your hand. Siapa tak tahu kenapa jawapan dia D? Okay, ada, okay, very simple, guys. Okay, ada orang. Okay, very simple, guys. Punca kuasa 3, cube root. Can you all tell me apa kuasa dia? If they say cube root, what is the power? Bila nampak perkataan. Are you sure, Hakim? Cube root, punca kuasa 3. Adakah kuasa dia 3? Perkataan punca itu ada makna berbeza. Kalau dia cakap kuasa 3, maksudnya 3. Tetapi kalau ada punca kuasa 3, maksudnya apa? Apa kuasa dia sebenarnya? Anyone know? Cube root, what is the power? Mistaken. Okay, it's not square root of 3, guys. Cube root means that your number 3 is here. Nombor 3 kat sini, kat dalam adalah ungkapan kamu, iaitu VD. Okay, so means that bila tukar dari set ini ke bentuk index, you will get this as your answer. So, kuasa dia sebenarnya adalah 1/3, 1/3. Oh, okay. Okay, can also. No, but you tell directly is easier lah. Tell directly the answer. Okay, so the answer is 1/3. Okay, so definitely A, B, C, totally wrong. Okay, kamu boleh potong semua dah. So that's why the answer is D. Understand, guys? Everyone clear this question? Okay, maybe easier lah. I put a quote from now on. So anyone understand type 1? don't understand, type 2 in the chat box. If you understand this question, you type 1 in the chat box. If don't understand, kamu type nombor 2. Don't simply lah. The rest, 1 or 2. This is our code from now on. Understand means you type 1. Don't understand, you type 2. Very simple. Okay, for those type 2, what you don't understand, apa yang kamu tak faham, kamu kena bagi tahu. Untuk yang type nombor 2. Bahagian mana tak faham? Boleh bagi tahu? Ada Wia? Bahagian mana tak faham? Jangan sengaja type nombor 2 tau guys. Nanti kalau kamu dah type, saya datang balik. Okay, so I continue first. Okay, number 3. Okay, so guys, this is question number 3. Okay, you all can see. This one subjective lah, soalan subjektif. Bahagian index. Okay, very simple. Okay. Ada Wia, kalau soalan tanya punca kuasa 3 nombor 6, macam mana kamu tulis dia? Punca kuasa 3, 6. Kalau mereka suruh tulis dalam bentuk simbol, macam mana kamu tulis? Kamu akan tulis macam ni kan? Like this, right? Okay, that's why kamu tukar ke bentuk indeks, kamu dapat macam ni. Berdasarkan hukum indeks. Okay? So, konsep sama, dia apply kat sini. Okay, iaitu punca kuasa 3 VD, kamu tukar ke bentuk indeks, kamu akan dapat yang ni. Okay? Faham? Can understand now? Ada Wia? Okay, this is the concept. That's why M sama dengan 1/3, N akan sama dengan 1/3 juga. Dia kongsi kuasa sama. It will share the same power. Okay? So now we go question 3. Okay, so this is subjective, but you can see that question ni tak sangat direct. Macam soalan ubahan. Variation question not usually is direct, but this kind of question not direct. Okay, so how to do this kind of question? First step, can anyone tell me? Langkah pertama, what should I do? Apa saya kena tulis dulu for this question? Anyone? First step.
Persamaan.
Bukan lagi. Ada satu lagi langkah sebelumnya. Sebelum persamaan. Yes, the expression or the variation lah. Okay, P varies inversely. Yes, okay, as square of Q. Punca kuasa, kuasa 2Q dan punca kuasa 3 R. Okay, so ini cara kamu tulis. This is actually ubahan songsang. Okay, Susan, R power 1/3, not R power 3. Okay, cube root is R power 1/3. But if you want to write in this format, can. Oh, okay. So that one common mistake lah. Usually you must read carefully. Okay, so guys, this is what we call as variation. Betul? Ini adalah bentuk ubahan. So now I want to convert to equation. So saya akan tambah pemala, add a constant K. Okay, so it will become something like this. This is what we call as equation, persamaan. So now that they ask you to express K in terms of R, ungkapkan K dalam sebutan R. So guys, what is my next step? So Q plus 6. What is your step with Q plus 6? The one with 3. Oh, this 3 is actually cube root. Haida, punca kuasa 3. Kamu tak boleh buat apa-apa ke nilai dia. K is under the cube root. So you cannot times with anything. Okay, so guys, what is the step now? What can I do over here? Try to think and see. Based on the question, what can I do? What should we do with the 6? That's the question you all must think. Anyone know? Siapa tahu? Usually in variation question, what is your step? After you convert to equation, apa yang kamu akan buat dalam soalan ubahan biasa? What will you all do? Can you all remember? Yes, find K. So how to find K? You substitute all the value, right? Kamu gantikan semua nilai masuk dalam. Betul? So guys, P, I have the value of P is 1.2 R. Okay, so I can gantikan 1.2 R. Okay, how about the value of Q? Guys, Q saya akan ganti dengan nilai apa? Can you all tell me? The value of Q at the bottom here. What will I substitute with? Anyone? This one careful lah. Q value. What will you substitute based on the information? Berdasarkan info ini. Huh? How you get 1 Haida? Very good, Anaga. 3R minus 6. Correct. Okay, you must substitute based on the information. Don't simply put value 1. Okay, you must substitute based on your info. So Q is 3R minus 6. Okay, this is a non-typical variation question lah. That's why you see it come like this. Okay. Usually in exam, they'll be straightforward. They will give you the value directly. But this one, I want to teach you how to do if they come out like this. Okay. So after this, actually you no need to expand lah. You just bring it to the other side only. Okay, become something like this. You have to express K in terms of R. Okay, ungkapkan K dalam sebutan R. Okay, so you will get something like this. Okay, so K will equal to, so guys, R and this one, I can get the value, correct? So guys, R times cube root of R, what will you get? You will get R power 4 over 3. Do you all understand how you get R power 4 over 3? Because R power 1, you times with R power 1 over 3. Guys, hukum index. Bila kamu darab dua nombor asal sama, you times two numbers same base. What happened to the power? You must add the power, correct? So that's why you get something like this. So 1 plus 1 over 3, you will get 4 over 3. So this is how I simplify. Okay, and then 3R minus 6 square. Actually, 1, then you times 1.2 lah. Understand, guys? So this is how you can express K in terms of R. Understand, guys? Boleh faham? Can you react like if understand? It look complex, but it's simple only. Yeah, I just want to show you a different perspective, that's all. But exam won't ask like this, don't worry. Okay, they will ask more simple one. This one more complex, but I'm just telling you the idea. When got variable, you can still solve. It doesn't matter. You can still put in the value and get the K value. Okay, only thing is you don't know the exact value. You know the K value in term of R only. Okay, so you can write final answer something like this if you want. Okay, to simplify, you can write like this. Okay, this is your final answer for K. If you want to expand this also can. Kamu boleh kembangkan yang ni pun boleh. No problem. Yeah, I'm making it more like the AdMaths version of variation, correct? Okay, but the concept still the same. Doesn't matter. Algebra only more complex, but your main concept is still the same. Okay, so for this question, actually no need to find R lah. Okay, this part no need to find R because finding R might be a bit complex. Okay, no need. They won't ask this one because when I construct the question, right, I didn't see it will come so complex. So never mind. We stop here. Express K in term of R. So just want to show you how to get K value. Okay, so we continue. Objective back. Okay, so guys, look at this graph. Okay, wait. Wait. Okay. So guys, you all can see clearly, right? So the question is, which of the following graph represent the combined variation? Mana graph menggambarkan ubahan yang saya tulis kat atas? Okay, can you all tell me the answer? This one challenging. Trust me, not many people will get this correct. But if you get correct, means you're really good. Okay, some more the rest. Yang lain, what do you say? Which is the correct graph? Mana graph yang betul? Be careful of the values I put on the axis, guys. The value important. I don't just simply letak one. So the rest, Try and see. Don't be afraid to make mistake. Mistake doesn't matter as long you try. Okay, some more, the rest. Now we still don't have majority yet. We need majority answer. Okay, some more. Lie. Come on. Come on, guys, the rest. What is your answer? If don't know, also you just tikam. Don't worry. At least tikam, you say something is better than nothing. Okay, now it's 2-2. One more person to decide the answer. 2C, 2B. So what is the one more person? What will you say? Satu lagi orang. C or B? Wow, no more already. Okay, never mind. Okay, so let me see. Okay, so I tell the correct answer lah. The correct answer is C. Okay, C is the correct answer. Okay, jawapan dia C. Okay, yeah, not bad. At least you all win. Okay, so who don't know why C is the answer? Angkat tangan. Who don't know why C is the correct answer? Okay, got trick one guys, this one. Okay, so guys, remember, whenever you have variation, right, the one on the left hand side will be on your y-axis. Nombor kat sebelah kiri tu paksi y. The number on the right hand side will be your x-axis. So now you understand why option B is salah? I think should be simple to understand already lah. Usually variation, left hand side is y-axis, right hand side is x-axis. That's why your paksi must ikut. That's why your answer is C. Understand, guys? So now, maybe some will ask, why the answer cannot be D? Sebab paksi saya betul kan? Why is the answer not D, guys? Can you all tell me? Mengapa jawapan D salah? Yes, what about the 10 and 16 is wrong? Can be more detailed. Very good. Okay. Remember guys, in this question, the graph must pass through the origin. Graph kena sentuh asalan. Why must it sentuh the asalan? Because if you convert it into equation, can you see guys? Do you have y-intercept in this graph? Adakah kamu ada pintasan y berdasarkan persamaan ini? I think no. Okay, you don't have y-intercept. That's why your graph must pass through the origin. It cannot pass to number 10. Number 10 is not the origin. So this one is wrong. So that's why the answer is C. Understand, guys? So this question is a bit tricky lah. Okay, if you not really good on the basic, then you might struggle a bit. Okay, so the last one. Okay, challenge. Which one is the correct answer? X berkadar terus dengan Y dan berkadar songsang dengan Z. Choose your answer. Last one. This one, if you can get correct, means is the best lah, because this is the hardest one, number 5. Okay, are you all ready? Okay, start to share your answer. Which is the correct answer? Okay, some more, the rest. Lie, some more people. Don't be scared. Okay, C, B, some more. Let's see, got any more other option or not. Why you not confident with your answer, Hakim? Mengapa tak yakin? Who is confident with the answer other than the 3 here? You can put your answer. Oh, you stick, huh? You stick with C. Okay, so the rest? Yang lain? What do you all say? A, B, C or D is the correct answer. Okay, so no more, huh? So the answer is who don't know why D is the answer? Angkat tangan. Who don't know why D is the answer? Kenapa tak? Siapa tak tahu kenapa jawapan dia D? Okay, very simple. Actually, not that simple, but can understand one. Okay, so guys, for those that say C, untuk yang cakap C, guys, do you see your axis? My axis is X against Z over Y. Soalan saya X and Y over Z. So it won't be a straight line anymore. Dia takkan jadi garis lurus because my value songsang already. Okay, when the value songsang, definitely cannot be straight line. Why? You can see clearly what? X and Z over Y. Huh? But then if couldn't see the X, then that cannot be the answer lah, of course. Okay, if there's no X, then it's not the answer, D. Okay, so guys, why D is the answer? So guys, see, based on the graph, is like this. Okay, if I write out in variation form, it'll be like this. Correct? So guys, I didn't say I must maintain in this form. Okay, saya boleh punca kuasa 2, dua-dua belah persamaan. The graph will still maintain. Okay, when you square root both sides, you will get like this. Okay, and the rule is, if you want to inverse one side, you must inverse both sides of the equation. Then only is correct. So if I inverse X, 1 per X jadi X, maksudnya songsang lah, inverse. So the other side, I must also inverse. So guys, do you all see why this is the answer now? Mengapa jawapan dia D? Understand? Okay? Everyone okay? Wow, good. Okay, so challenging or not, guys? These 5 questions. Do you find it challenging? Compared to the one you see in your textbook, maths textbook, I think none like this lah. Kamu tak boleh jumpa soalan macam ni dalam buku teks. Okay, it's my own question. I create one. Okay, saya tak ambil dari mana pun. Okay, so don't share this with anyone. 100% my copyright. Okay, hak asli is from me. Okay, I create this question for you all. Okay, but of course, like this won't come in the exam lah. Jarang masuk. Okay, but I just want to challenge you all. See whether you can do the hardest or not. Then the rest all no problem already. Okay, so this is part of the revision lah, the hardest. Okay, so we go on to the proper revision now. The following question, all will be the one you see in your exam lah. Okay, the following question. Okay, so we enter revision. Okay, so first question. Okay, these are all easy, no worries. So you all can answer directly. Okay, read the question and then you all can tell the answer, which is the right answer. Okay, some more, the rest. Okay, some more. Lagi. Okay, so the answer will be A. Okay, jawapan dia A. So why A? So they say that berubah secara langsung dengan kuasa 2t varies directly with the square of t. So mean that t square. Okay, and then inversely with S means bahagi. Whenever you see the word songsang, you straight away put the bahagi symbol, inverse, and then you add S at the bottom. Okay, but they ask you relation, right? Relation and equation mean the same thing. Okay, hubungan dan persamaan maksud dia sama. Okay, it must have the symbol sama dengan. Then only we can call it a relation. So that is why you must add the constant. So this is the answer. Okay guys, understand? Soalan 1 should be no problem lah. Okay, this is under construct memahami only. Memahami is under the lower level. Okay, got higher level than memahami in your construct. Okay, so this one quite easy lah. One, okay, they give you this. Which statement is true? Okay, so can you all tell the answer? This one might need a bit of time because it's not direct. Okay, anyone got the answer? Siapa dah dapat jawapan? Number 2. Okay, some more. The rest. Come on, don't shy to try. Cuba saja, jangan risau. Okay, some more. Okay. Okay. Wah, got A, B, C. Not bad, y'all. Wah, y'all memang satu Malaysia lah. I can call y'all. This is what we call perpaduan in answering question. Got A, B, C already. Malay, Indian, Chinese. A, B, C. Ah, very good lah, y'all. Okay. Like luckily got no D. I don't know whether got any other ways here lah. The other ways is number D. I don't know lah. Okay. So the answer is C. Okay. Majority wrong lah this time. Okay, minority correct. Okay, so why the answer is C, guys? Okay, you all can try and see one by one. For part A, kamu cuba. U varies directly as the square of V. You will write like this. Correct? So if I want to convert to equation, saya nak tukar yang ni jadi persamaan, you will get like this. So it's not the same. Okay, you will get K is equal to U over V square. So this one is wrong based on the question. The question asks V square U. Okay, so A wrong, we try B. So for part B, U varies directly as the square root of V. Okay, U berkadar terus dengan punca kuasa 2V. So again, add the constant. Wait, this thing, okay. Okay, so U is equal to K square root V. So you will get K is equal to U over square root V. So this one is also wrong. Tak sama dengan yang atas. Okay, so we try C. For number C, U varies inversely as square of V. U berkadar songsang dengan kuasa 2V. So guys, can you all see this? U is equal to K over V square. So guys, K is equal to V square U. So can you see this is the same answer as the soalan. So that's why C is the answer. Understand guys? Boleh faham? For those that comment wrong, okay, no worries, just learning only. Okay, so the answer will be number C. Okay, so we proceed. Okay, number 3. This one involves number already. Okay, so maybe you need some time to count. Okay, so once you have the answer, you all share. Okay, some more, the rest. This question is, you can get the answer lah, but if you are a person really good in maths, kalau kamu seorang yang faham matematik dengan sangat bagus, you will tell one answer to me. Kamu akan cakap satu jawapan kat saya. So anyone want to tell me something about this question? Okay, okay. Slow and steady win the race. Okay, some more, the rest. So far now, I think we tie 1D, 1C. Huh? Haida want to change. Sorry, Hakim want to change. Okay, why do you want to change to? Double checking. Okay, some more. Wah, satu Malaysia already lah. Okay, Haidar Hakim change. Got C, got D. Another time. Wow, best lah y'all. All got different answer. Okay, B enter already. Okay, we got again B, C, D. Not bad lah y'all. Okay, again satu Malaysia. Okay guys, so the correct answer is C. Okay, so guys, see carefully ya. M varies directly with the square of n. M berubah secara langsung dengan kuasa 2n. So you'll write like this. Okay, this get correct first. Second step, add constant. Tambah pemalah. Okay, then find the k. Cari nilai k from here. Okay, so you have to use the information given lah. Okay, m is equal to 18, n is equal to 3. Yes, correct. K is 2. Okay, I think the last part you mistake maybe. Okay, so you have K is 2. So then, tulis balik persamaan with the K value you get. And then read the question. Okay, they ask you to find N when M equal 32. So M equal 32, you have to find the N. So you will get N square sama dengan 16. Okay guys, logic lah here. Is this answer the only answer, guys? Adakah ini jawapan dia sahaja? Is there only one answer actually? Adakah ada? Okay, what's the other answer? Can you all tell me? As a person who understand maths lah. Yes, you should actually have two answer. Secara matematik, kamu sepatutnya ada dua jawapan. Mathematically is 4 and negative 4. Because whenever you got square, remember guys, important point, whenever you want to square root, you will get positive, negative. That's why you got two answer, positive and negative 4. Okay, but since this is objective question, you follow the question lah. You choose the one that they have. Okay, kamu pilih saja. But if this question asked in subjective, kertas 2, then you can give two answer. Kamu boleh bagi dua jawapan. Dengan syarat, with the condition that the question never tell you n must be positive. Okay, n kena lebih besar dari kosong. Kalau soalan cakap macam tu, you can only accept n equal to 4. Okay, or the question have a situation that relate to length. Length tak boleh negative, panjang tak boleh negative. So then you accept positive, something like that. Okay, but in this question is general. Okay, dia soalan So negative, positive, both also you can accept. Okay guys, understand? Clear? So this is question 3. This come under menganalisis already. So it's higher level a bit. Okay. So next one, number 4. Okay. So this is the type of question I gave you all just now, if not mistaken lah. Okay. So try and see what you all get. Anyone here know when is your first term exam already? Siapa kat sini tahu bila ujian pertama kamu semua? For Form 5. July. Okay, some more the rest. 29 you mean April, right? Oh, okay, 29 April. Okay, quite near also lah. How about the rest? May, April, May, July. Wow, Hakim, you're so late first exam. You mean midterm Hakim? July, June, okay. Oh, midterm, okay. I mean ujian pertama, bukan yang pertengahan tahun. First exam, I mean. Okay, maybe some school don't have first exam, straight away mid-year. Okay, so mostly June. Okay, so hopefully got time lah y'all. Okay, because I feel like very rush one this year for y'all. Very singkat the time. You can see lah when is your SPM. Okay, trial itself they put I think September if not mistaken. Okay, September to October because SPM start November. SPM start November. Yeah, actually not fair lah. Compared to the previous batch, right? I teach. Actually, I feel like previous batch 06, quite rush also, batch 06, because they awalkan also, but you all lagi awal, so more rush. So yeah, because they have to come back to the normal school syllabus where December is the holiday. I mean, yeah, December you all must go for holiday. That's why they put SPM November to December. Cannot, because they must come back to the original one. So definitely one batch must suffer. So coincidence is your batch suffer lah. If not your batch, then the future batch lah, 08. Who wants SPM during holiday? Hakim. Everyone here will disagree with you. People want to go holiday lah. They learn 1 year, of course, the end of the year want to go holiday. Am I right? Yeah. So means the SPM won't be like exactly the whole December. It will finish earlier, I think, if not mistaken. It won't take the whole December. Shouldn't be. Okay, because they will have some gap between paper. So you will have like some breaks one. So no worries. It won't be continuous. SPM will always have gap between the paper. Huh? Really? Yeah. I thought the Takwim never come out yet. What? Only the last one. Oh, means that if end January means maybe start late November. Or maybe Telegram sometimes wrong lah, don't know. Okay guys, come back here. So the answer is A. Okay, jawapan dia A, correct. Okay, so you start with y varies directly as 5x plus 2. Okay, and then you times the constant. Okay guys, careful lah. When you add the constant here, right, you must put in bracket, you know, the whole thing. If you don't put bracket, you write like this, habis. Okay, if you write like this, means that the k belong to the 5x. But actually the k belong to the 2 also. So kamu kena tulis dalam kurungan to make sure you all can differentiate. Okay, so then you have y is 24, x is negative 2. So you just substitute only. So if you count and see, you will get k is negative 3. Okay, then you write back the equation, tulis balik persamaan dengan nilai k. So you will get this one. Okay, you can see the pattern, it always repeat. Dia berulang. The number only change. Okay, then they ask you find x when y is 5. So y is 5, find x. Okay, you can give answer in fraction. So first step, this one algebra only lah. 5x plus 2 equal to negative 5 over 3. Who over here not good in algebra? Anyone here? Siapa tak bagus lagi basic algebra maths? Like add, addition, subtraction, all that. Because I know some people who not good, but then they keep quiet. So anyone here not good? Basic algebra, your lower form mathematics. I mean, form 3, form 2, form 1. Okay, the rest? Anyone else? Oh, okay, means you must, for those that say not good, you can actually watch my YouTube video. Actually, got one YouTube video I got on it's on form 1 to form 3 revision in my channel. You can try to go through that because I explained the topics in form 1 to form 3. So you try to find that and watch. Got 2 video, part 1, part 2. So you see which one is for you lah, the algebra part. Okay, so hopefully you all can go through that lah, then it will help you all. Okay, because when you enter form 4, form 5, right, especially those who take Add Maths, they assume your algebra is good already. Okay, that is the assumption most of your teacher make. Am I right guys? I think you all know that. Mereka akan cakap, dia bagi idea saja, suruh kamu selesaikan. Betul? That's how your teacher will teach. Teacher won't tell you how to do all this algebra. They won't teach already. They direct solve and tell you the answer. Because they assume you know all this already. Kamu dah belajar. Yes, so this is the major problem actually in maths and Add Maths. Okay, because to get the idea itself is difficult for Add Maths untuk dapat idea. So the algebra part, they assume you know already. Okay lah, at least touch and go is better than nothing. Okay, so you will get negative 11 over 15. Okay, jawapan akhir. Okay, if your algebra not good, I advise you to mantapkan lah. Who here take Add Maths? Who boleh angkat tangan? Siapa ambil Add Maths over here? Okay, some more the rest. Oh, got a lot, huh? Okay, if you all take NMATS, right, algebra must be good one, no choice. Okay, because NMATS got a lot of algebra. So you have to master lah in any way that you can. Okay, so yeah, because need a lot. Okay, especially if you can see lah, guys, who see the chapter 2, chapter 3 in NMATS, you understand lah what I mean. I think some people got see already for NMATS Form 5, chapter 2, chapter 3. Can you see the chapter, guys? The chapter, right, actually involve a lot of algebra. This is what I'm telling to you. Okay, you all see, right, in NMATS, differentiation and integration. You all know this, right? For those that go through the syllabus a bit, there is two chapter, chapter 2, chapter 3 in your AdMaths Form 5. Okay, so these two, right, involve a lot of algebra. So that's why basic must be very good. So this is the example I can give you. A lot of algebra. Okay, the content over here is little, but your algebra to solve the question must be power. So that's how you can master these two chapters. Of course, got the concept of differentiate and integrate, but your algebra is still the main thing. So that's why I say algebra must be good. Okay. So next one, okay. So they say that X berubah secara songsang dengan Y. So you will have like this. Okay, kamu tulis macam ni. Okay, then add the constant, tambah pemala. Okay guys, let's say I put like this. Can kalau saya buat pemala dia jadi alpha, can I use alpha as constant? Oh, I thought first, right, Hakim, you told to me no problem. Then now you say no. You type NP, I think you say no problem. Yes, the answer is can. Okay, can. Guys, remember, a lot of you might think that K is the only constant in this world. K bukan hanya satu pemala di dunia ini. As long you have this type of letter, alpha, beta, delta, all these are what we call as Greek letter, huruf Greek. Okay, any Greek letter is used as constant in maths. Okay, maths and Greek letter, they always related one. Okay, so any Greek letter, got what else? Gamma. Okay, you see the symbol or not? Semua ni boleh jadi pemala. Okay, but in your mathematics syllabus, mereka suka guna K. That is why you see K everywhere. But in the real life, you can use anything you like. Objective, kamu boleh guna apa-apa lah, tak kira. Okay, let's say this question come out in subjective. So subjective, kalau soalan macam ni keluar, I advise you to use K. Jangan guna yang lain. Because marking scheme, skema akan guna K. They won't use all this. Okay, yang ni takkan guna. But I'm just telling you that K is not the only constant. You must be open lah. Okay, any type of Greek letter is a constant, pemala. Okay, that's why I want to share. All right. So then we continue, we use K lah, so that not much debate. Okay, so if we use K, kamu kena cari nilai K lah, the same step. Okay, so if you refer to the question, did I ask you all the answer? Guys, saya tak tanya jawapan lagi kan? Let you all solve first. I also carried away already. Kamu cuba dulu, then tell the answer first. And also, anyone here so far struggle with speed or not? Tak ada masa nak selesaikan soalan maths at maths when you do your exam in Form 4. Who have this problem? Okay, angkat tangan. Maths or at maths lah, anything. Siapa tak boleh selesaikan kertas exam dalam masa yang ditetapkan? Anyone here got the problem? Anyone? Siapa ada masalah? Tak cukup masa. Matematik or matematik tambahan. Because this is a common issue, so I want to see how many. Okay, got lah. Okay. So, have you all think of what you should do to like address the problem. Macam mana nak selesaikan masalah ini? Not enough time. Does anyone know what is the best step to take? Apa langkah terbaik? Anyone know? Okay, actually, the best step is you must be disciplined and time yourself to do the question by your own. Okay, kamu kena buat soalan sebenar, format sebenar exam in the time given so that you all can solve on time. Kamu kena buat dengan sendiri. Then only you know how fast you can solve maths. Okay, the problem is you must be fast and accurate. Kamu kena pantas dan tepat. If you buat pantas tapi cuai, it's still no point because you still lose the mark. So you must be fast and also accurate. So that is the hardest thing to do. So even if you're slow but accurate, still okay, but you might not be able to finish on time. That is the thing. Okay. So yeah, you must train your speed also. Okay. Have you video about Form 5 math evaluation? Yes, got. Can search my YouTube channel. Got. Under the Form 1 or Form 3 revision video, so you see that videos I will explain. Okay, guys, the rest, which is the answer, A, B, C, or D? Okay, the rest, yang lain, what do you all say? Okay, yes, correct. The answer is donkey. Very good. Okay, finally, everyone got the same answer. Okay, so X is 15, Y is 4, so you will get K equal to 60. Okay, K akan sama dengan 60. Okay, so now they ask you to count the value of X. Okay, so Y, sorry, kira nilai Y. Okay, X sama dengan 5. So you will get 5 equal to 60 over Y. So Y will be equal to 12. So that is why donkey is the answer. Okay, guys, understand? Okay, this is number 5. Okay, soalan nombor 5. Okay, so part 6, now we go a bit level up. Now we involve the table, melibatkan jadual. So this one, they ask which show the relation R berkadar berkadar terus dengan kuasa 2T. Which table show this relationship? So can you all tell me which is the correct answer? Mana yang betul? This one might be a bit hard if you never see this kind of question lah. Kalau kamu tak nampak soalan macam ni. But it's still quite easy to do if you understand. Okay, anyone got the answer? Anyone can tell for this type of question, soalan nak suruh kami cari apa? What the question want us to find actually? What is the goal over here? Apa matlamat kita? Very good. You must find which one can give you the constant value, the same value. Okay, which mean that the K value must be same. Okay, nilai K kena sama untuk semua what is that we call column. For all the column you read vertically, kamu baca secara menegak, the constant, it must have a constant value of K. So mean that R is equal to KT square. So you must find the K value. So K is equal to R bahagi T kuasa 2. So you just gantikan nilai satu per satu. See which one can give you the same K value. For all the 4, keempat-empat. So anyone got the answer? CC. Okay, the rest? The rest, guys, what you all get? Cuba type jawapan. Okay, some more. Yes, very good. Okay, the answer is C. Okay, you all can try. Okay, from here, you will get all the K value over here should be 3. Kamu akan dapat nilai K sama. Because first column, 3 bahagi 1, you get 3. 12 bahagi 2 kuasa 2, you get 3. 27 bahagi 3 kuasa 2, you get 3. 48 bahagi 4 kuasa 2, you also get 3. So means that C is the only answer yang boleh memuaskan hubungan yang ni. Only C satisfy the relationship R varies directly as T square. Okay guys, understand? So this is for number 6. You can see that the question changed a bit, okay, but the concept is still the same. Okay, so this one I think should be no problem. Answer please. I think you can get it quite fast. This one direct read the statement and convert. Okay, come on guys. What's the answer? This kind of question all must be snap the finger can do very fast. Okay, some more? Okay, very good. Okay, the answer will be A. Okay, because U varies directly as the square of V. Okay, it means you write like this. Inversely as the square root of W. Berkadar songsang dengan W. You write like this. So that's why A is the answer. Okay, very direct lah. No explanation this one. Okay, so next one. Okay, this one. Okay, now they give you the table. They ask you to count XY. Cari nilai XY. Okay, maybe this one is a bit weird, but you can still find the answer. Okay, so based on these guys, you all try first lah. See what is the answer you all get. Okay, anyone got the answer? A, B, C, D? Okay, Haida says C. Sorry, Hakim. Why can't I always say Haida? I think I must be missing your brother lah from my class. Always call his name one. Now it's you. Okay, Hakim, how about the rest? Okay, majority says C, yeah? Okay, let's see what's the answer. Okay, I never reveal now. We try and see. Okay, so P varies directly as square of R, inversely as Q. So we get like this. Okay, so then you add the constant, tambah pemala. So you will get this one, R square over Q. Okay, so remember our aim is find K, cari nilai K. So guys, question to all of you. Which row will we use first? Kita akan guna info baris yang keberapa dulu? Number 1 or number 2? Which row? First row or second row? Yes, because we have all the values. Kita ada semua nilai to find the K. That's why we use the first row. Okay, so P equal 36 equal to K R. Nilai R is 3, nilai Q is 2. Okay, so 3 square over 2. So you can get the K. 36 times 2 over 3 square. So if you count and see, you will get K is 8. Okay, so from here, kamu tulis balik persamaan with the nilai K. Macam itu jadual C like first row betul kah teacher? Yes, correct. You must start to take the row which have all the info, because you must remember we always want to find the K value first. Kita nak cari nilai K dulu. So if you want to find the K value first, we must have the P, R and Q. Then only we can find K. So that is why kita guna the information in the first row, because P, R, Q we have all the value. The second row, we got x, y, 10. So x and y, we don't know. So cannot solve. Okay, tak boleh selesai untuk K. Alright, so now you can write back the equation. Okay, then we can solve the question. So we have P is x, Q is y, R is 10. Okay, P is x, Q is y, R is 10. Okay, yes, correct. Okay, you will get xy equal to 800. In this case, kamu tak perlu cari nilai x dan y. Okay, you no need to find x and y value because question asks find x, y. So mean that your answer is C. Okay, guys, clear? Okay, who start to like the chapter already? Siapa dah rasa macam suka bab ni? Who start to like it already? Anyone got the feeling you like the chapter already after you try the question? Got Okay, good. Okay, this chapter, not to say it like to come out in the exam, but it will come out lah. But not many questions, tak banyak soalan. Okay, usually for Form 5, they like to test on chapter 3 and 4. Okay, later you see lah guys, Form 5 chapter 3 and 4. I swear you will hate the chapter. They talk about insurance and tax. Okay, who don't like this chapter? Okay, I think it's a lot of menghafal this chapter. You need to memorize a lot. Okay, to me, honestly lah, this chapter used in daily life a lot. Dia guna banyak sebenarnya dalam kehidupan seharian compared to this chapter actually. Because this chapter, it will teach you how to manage your finance, kewangan, insurance, tax, all this related to financial management. Okay, which you learn in Form 4 chapter 10. So this comes under the topic that related to daily life. So never mind, later we come to that. I can help you understand lah. No problem. Usually the question that come out is the calculation, not the menghafal. So no need to go and hafal all the things there. No need. Maybe it will come in objective only, but subjective is calculation. So no need to worry so much. Maybe 1 mark like that you lose is okay. All right. So now they ask you which of the relation is correct. Okay, so this one you must trial and error. So which one will be the right answer? Yes, correct. You must see which one can give you the constant value. Bahagian mana akan bagi pemalah? Which answer will give you a constant answer? Okay. I think. In maths, right, guys, you cannot say I think. In the exam, there's no such thing as I think. You either 100% sure or no when you come to exam. Here you can think lah, but exam you must be confident or else quite difficult. 50-50. Okay lah, if you study probability, correct lah, 50-50. But I don't think so. So anyone got the answer already? This kind of question you must be, what to say, patient a bit lah. Kamu tak boleh dapat jawapan terus. You must trial and error with all the options. See which one wrong, kamu potong. Potong yang salah, pilihan salah. Then you compare which is the most accurate answer. Because this one you cannot directly say this is the answer. Kamu kena kira sikit-sikit. After this, we will be entering subjective question already. Okay, some more, the rest. Some more guys? Yang lain? What you all say? Okay, now it's tie 1-1. What about the rest? What others say? Apa jawapan dia? Yang lain kata. Okay, you should get, the answer should be C. Okay, anyone don't know why the answer is C? Can you raise your hand? Siapa tak tahu kenapa jawapan dia C? Okay, I explain from the answer itself lah. Saya terangkan terus this one so that easier for you. Okay, so guys, what you must do is you must convert answer C to equation format. Okay, and then find your K value. So from here you will get K is equal to XY bahagi Z kuasa 2. Correct? So if you try and see, try with all the three answer. Make sure you read correctly guys. Kamu kena baca dari atas ke bawah because you're comparing X, Y, Z. So if you read horizontally wrong, you compare only the X. So you must compare vertically. Cari nilai K untuk setiap column. K got 3K value you will get. Okay, so if you try and see all of it, you should get K sama dengan, you should get 1/2 or 0.5. Can you all see it guys? If you press calculator and see all the three will get you K is 0.5. So means that only C is correct answer. Boleh faham guys? Can understand? Always remember when they ask what relation is correct, right? And they give you the table, soalan nak tanya cari nilai K. In other words, the question won't tell you find nilai K, but they expect you to know that when you have a table and a question like this, dia suruh cari nilai K. That is the keyword. Okay, or the question structure lah, kamu boleh tengok macam mana nak tentukan jawapan. Okay, so this is another type. Okay, actually same as the before one, but slightly different. Okay, so this is the last objective, nombor 10. Okay, so they tell you that S varies inversely as number of worker. So S berkadar songsang dengan P. This one I explained to you all. It's okay. So X equal to K over P. Alright, so then first information. Okay, so S equal to 4. S equal to 5. P is equal to 4. Okay, so you will get S is 5. P is 4. Wait, let me see. S is, yeah, correct. Okay, so you will get K equal to 20. So then you write back the answer with the K value. Wow, Aida doing calculation straight away already. Not bad. Okay, so you will get this one. And then they ask you for P equals to 10 because number of worker is 10. Bilangan pekerja 10. So you will get 2 days. 2 hari. Understand guys? This question? Quite easy lah. This one, you all can do it. Okay, but his answer is A. Okay, but if the question want to make it difficult, they can. Okay, let us say lah, I change the question. Let's say that this S, right? Unit bagi S is actually seconds. Now comes the challenge. Soalan bagi nilai dalam hari. They give you in days. But the question, the unit is second. So what you must do guys? Apa kamu kena buat? You must convert this value to second. Then only you can gantikan this nilai in your equation here, which is this one. Can you understand? Okay, so make sure you all very careful on the unit in this chapter. Unit sangat penting because salah unit, your K value will be salah and your final answer will be salah. Okay, so guys, I ask you all one question lah. For those that very good in this conversion, penukaran, all this, one day, satu hari, how many second? Who can tell me directly the answer? Without using calculator. Tanpa guna calculator. One day, how many second you have? Try and see. You try to count and see. Never mind lah, you all can use calculator. It's not difficult. Yes, K is a very special number. 86400. I also never count, but I know this is the answer. Okay, saya tak kira. I never use calculator. So one day, remember, is 8,600, 86,400 second. Okay, I also pening already. So 86,400 second. Okay, guys. So make sure you know how to do the conversion. Okay, conversion very important. Okay, so they can ask question like this also. Mereka takkan bagi rumus kat kamu, but you must know how to solve. Alright, so this is all we have for objective question. Okay, now we'll enter subjective already. Okay, subjective. So now, okay. So any question so far? Siapa ada soalan so far? Or are you all clear? Nana? Okay, so we continue. So now we will talk subjective. So P varies directly as T. T berkadar terus dengan T. So you get this one. So make sure you all see the unit, guys. Minute, km. So make sure you all check the unit. This is where you can make a careless mistake. Okay, so just be careful on that. Okay, so you will get P is KT. So then you can use the information. Okay, direct. P is 5, T is 10. 30. So you will get K equals to 5 over 30. Or you can write 1 over 6. Okay, so final answer, jawapan akhir, P in terms of T. So you will get P equal to 1 over 6 T. Understand, guys? So guys, can you see? 3 marks, 3 markah. Kamu buat macam ni, you already get 3 marks. Just like this. Okay, so it's very simple to score the mark. Okay, you can see over here. Understand? So this one should be no problem lah. Okay, so we go on. Next one. Okay, so they tell that number of workers varies inversely as the number of days. Okay, so X varies inversely as the number of days. Okay, X berkadar songsang dengan bilangan hari. So you add the constant. Okay, tambah pemala. I will ask question here, guys. You all get ready. Don't so chill over there. Okay, so they say that 12 days, 2 workers. Okay, so 2 workers, 12 days. So you will get K equal to 24. Okay, so then you rewrite the equation with the K value. So you will get X is 24 over Y. So now they say 8 workers, 8 pekerja. So workers is X. So mean that X equal to 8. They ask you to find Y. So you can find already lah. You will get Y equals to 3. Okay, Y sama dengan 3. So this is your answer. Okay, so now I ask extra question from here. So guys, based on the relationship here, berdasarkan hubungan ni, let's say, I modify the question a bit. Okay. So let's say, kalau nilai Y berganda 2 kali, if the variable Y multiply 2 times, what will happen to the variable X? Apa akan jadi pada nilai X? Can you all tell me? If number Y times 2, what happened to the change in X? This one is the common question they will ask also. So anyone know the answer? No. I want not exact value. I want the what happened to the X value generally. Tanpa beri nilai specific. Yes, correct. Decrease. But decrease how much? Berapa kali decrease? Yes. Okay, I feel is correct. Okay, X will decrease by 2. Okay, because inversely, kalau bawah menaik, bottom increase, the top one should decrease. It will decrease with the same value, nilai sama. So if bottom times 2, the X which is top, you divide 2, something like that. Okay, let's say Y times 6, X you divide 6. Understand? So this is the type of question they like to ask also. Perubahan nilai. They will give you one side what happened, and then they ask you what happened to the other value. Something like this. I think you all study this in physics, right, guys? For those ambil physics, you all study this, right? what happened when y times 2? What happened to the x value? So you learn this over here also lah in modern math. You learn in physics this one. So you all should know what I'm telling. For those take physics, form 4 you all learn already. Okay? So the concept is actually variation, come from maths, ubahan. Okay? So this question should be no problem. Okay, next one, part 3. Okay, we come to the jadwal again. Okay, so now they tell you that, okay, this one is, so what type of variation is this, guys? Can you all tell me? Is this direct, inverse, or combined? Yes, this is ubahan tercantum, combined variation or joint variation. Joint variation means the same thing lah. Okay, if you see this word, it means the same thing. Okay, joint variation. Okay, means you combine more than one variable. Okay, so means that X berkadar terus dengan kuasa 2Y berkadar songsang dengan Z. So you write like this. Okay, so you got the first row, second row. So first step, you will use which row first to start with? Kamu guna baris pertama atau baris kedua dulu? Yes, okay, always remember take the row with the all the values. Kamu ada semua nilai. Yes, very good. Okay, means you all know the trend already lah. Okay, so ky square over z. So then substitute only. You must show the substitution guys. This step over here that I'm going to do here got mark. Okay, ada markah bila kamu ganti masuk nilai. Always remember substitution got mark. So don't be lazy to write out. Okay, jangan dari sini terus tulis k sama dengan 2. Salah. Okay, because you never show the substitution. So you must show the penggantian to get a mark. Okay, so you will show x equal to 9 and then y is equal to, where is it? Y is 3, z is 2. Okay, so y is 3, z is 2. So you will get k is equal to 2. Yes. Okay, and then you see the question, they ask you to find m. So again, kamu kena tulis balik persamaan dengan nilai k. Wah, Haida, you like this chapter, Adila? Not bad. Can solve very fast. Okay, so you have x is 5, y is m, z is 10. Ayo, Hakim, sorry. I cannot get rid of Haida. X is 5, y is m, z is 10. Okay, x is 5, y is m, z is 10. Okay. Why you missing? He's not in the same state as you are. Equals to 50. So m square. Oh, he's not in the same state. He's from Selangor, is it? Haida. So you will get, oh, means you are in Penang. So you will get m equal to plus minus. Oh, you also in Selangor, is it? Yeah, I know he's your brother, but are you both in the same state or like study different state school? Oh, same lah. Okay, I see. Then why you miss him? Since he live with you, why you miss him? Okay, guys, remember over here, you must have plus minus. Guys, don't only put 5. Take note, subjective question, you must put both possibility. Kena letak dua jawapan, plus minus 5. Because the question never tell you any condition. Tak bagi apa syarat pada nilai M. So you can use any M value. Okay, which is plus minus 5. Okay, remember guys, but of course, let's say lah guys, tiba-tiba you forget this concept. If you write M is 5, will you get the mark? The final answer mark? Adakah kamu akan dapat markah akhir? Let's say you never write negative 5. Kamu tak tulis negative 5. Do you get the full mark? Yes or no? Yes. Okay, the answer is yes. Although you don't write negative 5, basically most of the time, 90% lah, I will say you will get correct. Okay, because the scheme, mereka takkan letak negative 5. Although it is correct actually, negative 5. Okay, but no problem. You won't get wrong also. Kamu masih betul. Okay, but if you just write this one only, hanya tulis yang ni, you will still get full mark. No worries. Okay, so both also still can. But don't just write negative 5. Kalau kamu tulis M is negative 5, kamu tak tulis M is 5, then salah. You won't get the mark. Okay, make sure you write M is 5. This is the priority. Negative 5 is second priority. This is the first priority. Something like VVIP and VIP. So guys, between VVIP and VIP, which one comes first? Tell me. Mana datang dulu? Yeah, VVIP lah. So this is what I mean. Between 5 and negative 5, VVIP is 5. Negative 5 is the VIP. But both are important. Dua-dua pun penting. But which one is in the context of the question they like is this one. M equal to 5. Okay? So this is the situation. So if you write 5, no problem also. Okay? So this is the answer. Let me rub first so that it's clearer. Okay. So next one. Okay, so now we come to the longer question. This kind of question they like to ask in section B, paper 2. Okay, I think you all should know, right? Section B, paper 2 is a bit longer than section A. Dia lebih panjang sikit. Okay, but still no worries. It's still easy to do. Okay, so first question, they ask you to express X in terms of Y and Z. Okay, so they tell you that X varies directly as the number of nasi lemak and number of days he trade. So you should write X varies directly as Y and Z. Correct? Okay, so then they give you this information. Wah, Hakim already semangat again. So you add the constant, tambah pemala. So you will get KYZ. Okay, then you must find the K value, X over YZ. So X is, guys, careful here. You must know all these belong to which letter because they never tell you. Okay, so can I ask you all, 250 belong to X, Y, or Z? Can you all comment? RM 250, which one it come under? Which nilai? Boleh bagi tahu? 250? Yes, it come under the X. 100 packet, Y or Z? Which one should it be? 100? It should be Y. Okay, this one will be the Z. Okay, don't always assume they will follow the order, guys. Kadang-kadang mereka akan campur. Doesn't mean you read like that is X, Y, Z. Okay, doesn't mean like that. You must still read the question carefully because they can switch the position. Then you salah adi. Okay, so X is 250, Y is 100, this is 5. Okay, so you will get the final answer. K is equal to half. Okay, wait. K equal to half. So guys, if I stop here, do I get full mark? Kalau saya henti kat sini, is it I get full mark? The 3 mark? Yes or no, guys? If I just stop at K equals to half. Yes, you must write out the final answer. Remember, guys, kena tulis jawapan akhir. Express X in terms of Y and Z. So this is only your final answer. Okay, so yeah, this is how you do for part A. Okay, and then part B, you can use the equation directly. That's why I tell you guys, don't look down on modern maths. Anyone here feel like modern maths very easy? Angkat tangan. Anyone feel modern maths sangat senang when you compare to admaths? Let's say, if you compare to admaths, modern maths siapa rasa sangat senang? 50%, okay. If Hakim says sort like that, okay. So one advice I want to tell you all, for modern maths, right, it is a subject that it is a bit tricky. You know why I say tricky? Because it's easy, right? You're more prone to make careless mistake. Sebab dia senang, kamu semua akan silap banyak. That is the problem with modern maths. Not because you don't know how to do, because you silap baca soalan most of the time, because very easy. So when you read the question fast, you read wrongly. Then the whole thing go wrong. Because each question, they are berkait. So top one wrong, bottom one wrong. The whole thing you're wrong. That is the problem. And maths, you all will be more careful because it's difficult. Am I right? Secara naturally you will be more careful in a subject that's more difficult. So compared to modern maths, you'll be less careful because it is easier. Okay, so make sure you all alert also in modern maths because got a lot of technical stuff like what our friends say here. plan and elevation. This one is one of the chapter, very technical, this chapter over here. Okay, who don't like this chapter? Siapa tak suka bab ni? Can you raise your hand? I'm sure some people don't like this chapter. Siapa tak suka plan dan tonggakan? Angkat tangan. Who don't like? Huh? What? Guys, you all learn this in Form 3, You all must remember, guys, your SPM this year, right? Maths is cover Form 1 to Form 5, Don't think it's only Form 4 to Form 5, Modern Maths cover Form 1 to Form 5, your SPM. So, around 50 plus topics you all must know in total for Maths. Form 1 to Form 5 is around 50 plus. Okay, so you must make sure you know each of the chapter well. Okay, yeah, correct. It's just, but sometimes for some people they cannot see 3D. Siapa tak suka bayangkan 3D? Angkat tangan. Who cannot see three-dimensional shape? I think some of you might have the problem, right? Because 3D is a bit hard. Okay, so this is the problem with this chapter. But luckily that this chapter, SPM 2022 and SPM 2023, dia tak keluar langsung bab ni. So mean that your SPM 2024, it might keluar because the previous 2 year never keluar di. So your year might keluar this bab for paper 2. So that's why you all must know this one. 9 marks, guys. Don't play. This question 9 marks. One question only, 9 marks. You don't draw, you die, 0 marks straight. You draw wrong, also 0 mark. So either you get 0 or you straight score 9 mark. This is the chapter like that. So that's why I say modern maths, very technical, but easy. You just need to draw. But for some people, it's a bit difficult. Yeah, got video you can find. The one I said lah, Form 1 or Form 3. Who here don't know my YouTube channel? Can angkat tangan in the first place? Who haven't seen my YouTube channel? Huh? Susan, you never see my YouTube channel yet. So many times I told you already. Wait, guys. Let me. Then why you angkat tangan? I mean, for those never see yet, tak tengok lagi. Okay, later I will show at the end. For those never see yet, after the lesson finish in 5 minutes, I will show. Okay, so we go on to question B first. So they say that state the number of nasi lemak. Okay, so number of nasi lemak, if you refer is y. Okay, you want to find y value. So based on the equation here, you can write y equals to 2x over z. Betul? Do you all know how to change from this to this? Siapa ada masalah? Cannot change from the first sentence to the second sentence? I think you all should know, right? This one basic algebra only. Okay, half you bring to the left hand side times 2. That's why 2x. Then you bahagi z. Okay, so next one, 1200. It should be your x value. Okay, and then z will be 8. Okay, so you just need to count lah. You will get 300. Yeah. Okay, number means no need unit. Guys, be careful lah. This chapter, right? Unit important. Means that if got unit, kamu kena tulis unit in your final answer. Let's say RM. Let's say what else? Milliliter, gram. All of these unit you must write in your final answer just to be safe. Untuk elak potong markah. Okay, unit important. Even in maths. Okay. So yeah, this is this question. Okay, so we try one last question, then I will show you all my YouTube channel. Okay, the remainder we leave it for next week lah. Let me see how much. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 5 only. Can complete lah next week. Next week lesson we'll finish chapter 1. Okay. So then new month we start new chapter lah, matrix. Okay. So now part A. Matrix, I think if those study a bit confusing lah if you first time study, but can understand slowly. Okay, so I varies directly as principal and time. Okay, so you will get something like this. I varies directly as principal and time. Okay, so they say that they give you all the value already. So guys, I want to ask you here lah, what is the constant in this equation? Apa pemala dalam persamaan ni? Can anyone tell me? If you familiar with this equation, can you all tell me what is the constant here? I think you all got see this equation before. So what is the constant? Anyone know? This one you learn in your Form 3 maths, tingkatan 3. So that's why I say Form 3 important. So anyone? What is the constant here? Constant Haida. Sorry, Hakim. Pemala. P is the one that is changing, berubah. I want the fixed value, constant. Yes. Okay, the answer is R. Okay, guys, what is R? Do you all remember in your modern maths Form 3, R is interest rate. Do you remember this? Yes. So can you see that? This equation, if you add constant, initially you don't know what's the constant lah. You will write like this. Kamu akan tulis macam ni. But actually, if you memorize the formula, you know that your constant is actually your interest rate. Okay? Kadar faedah. Understand? This is faedah mudah formula. I equals PRT. Okay? Simple interest. Alright? So then you can use the information directly. Okay? Means that you want to find your K equals to I over PT. Okay, so if you refer here, I is equal to 400, P is 1250, T is 4. So you will get this one. Okay, something like this. So you can count the value lah for this K value. Okay, you can give your answer in fraction if you want. Okay, you can give decimal 0.08. Simpler. So guys, based on this K value, can you tell me what is the interest rate? If you understand, berapa kadar faedah kat sini based on the K value? Anyone? What will be the K value here? Kadar faedah berapa kat sini? You can direct interpret this value, guys. Yeah, correct. So guys, remember, when you want to convert from a decimal to percentage, you always times 100%, darab 100%. So that is why your interest rate kadar faedah is 8%. Understand? 8 bahagi 100, you get back 0.08. That's why this is the relation. You take this, divide 100, you get back 0.08. This is rate. This is percentage. Okay, for 8%, we call this percentage. Understand? So now we can write back the equation lah. So I is equal to 0.08 PT. Okay, after you get this, you can answer the question already lah. They ask you find the amount of interest. So they ask you cari nilai I. Okay, so you write back I equals to 0.08. You refer to the question. P is equal to 500. T is equal to 5. Okay, so you direct gantikan. So P 500, T 5. So you will get, remember put RM guys, interest is RM. Okay, if non put RM, you risky a bit. Okay, mungkin hilang markah kalau tak letak RM. So make sure RM you must write. Okay, so this is for part A. That's the answer. Okay, and then the last for today, part B. Okay, bahagian B. So they ask you to count T, cari nilai T. Okay, so you have I is 800, P is 5000. Okay, should be no problem. So T is equal to I over 0.08P. How I get this? From I equals to 0.08 PT. Kamu kena ubah Y formula. Change the formula. Ya, dah nak habis dah. Because 8 to 9:30. Okay, so I value, nilai I is 800. And then principal 5000. Bahagi 0.08, 5000. Okay, so you will get T is equal to, if you count and see, you will get 2. So guys, should I leave my answer like this? Perlu tak saya tinggal jawapan macam ni saja? Yes or no? Everyone here? Is it correct if I leave my answer like this? Try to think and see. Cuba fikir. Adakah jawapan ni betul tak? No. So what is wrong here? Apa salah kat sini? It's okay, it's okay. So what is wrong? Conversion. Wait, let me see. Correct? Everything is correct, what? So guys, what I missed out over here is make sure you write the word years. Whenever got unit, you must put unit, because if you only write T sama dengan 2, the examiner can tell you, do you mean 2 hours, 2 seconds, 2 minutes? So that is why I say unit is important. You must specifically say years. Okay, because if not, it can mean all this also. Okay, so make sure when got unit, put unit to be safe. Okay guys, are you all clear with the revision today? Can you all understand? Boleh faham? Okay, for those that ask the YouTube channel, let me show first before you all go. I will send the PDF later in the group. Okay, let me show first. Sorry, I cannot stop share. For those that asked just now. This one. Okay guys, this one. Okay, so this is my YouTube channel. For those that first time see lah, I think those who know lah. Okay, so just now people asked for the Form 1 to Form 3 video. Let me show you. Form 1 to Form 3 video is this one. Susan, can you see? SPM Maths Extra Class Form 1 to Form 3. SPM Maths. This is the video that explain on Plan dan Dongakan. Okay, so make sure you see this video, then can understand. Okay, for Form 1 to Form 3. Okay, so for those never subscribe, you can subscribe also lah to my channel. Okay, and share to your friend also. Okay, so got a lot of videos here for you lah. You all can go to. For those that want to study ahead, also can for Form 5. Kalau nak belajar lebih cepat, okay, you can see over here. If you want to study ahead, you just go to intensive class, modern maths. I got all the chapter video here, chapter 1 to chapter 7 that you all learn. Okay, welcome. Okay, so you all can study ahead if you all want also. Okay, guys? So yeah, NMaths also same. NMaths also got chapter 1 to chapter 6. Okay, only 6 chapter NMaths this year. Okay? So any other question, guys, that you have? That you want to ask for me? For maths or NMaths? Got any question you have?